What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be tinting the S2K's windows. I only have tint on this window and it already came when I bought the car. It looks kind of ugly, so we're going to have to replace that with some new fresh tint. Now I know this isn't the best. I got myself some tint at Walmart, going with a 5%, and along with that I bought this tint film application kit. $10 plus $10 was 20 bucks. So not bad to get in some practice on tinting windows. Honestly, I've never tinted a window in my life, so this is gonna be my first time. Let's see how it turns out. So this application has a water bottle, a squeegee, some blades, and 2 little packs of solution. You use 1 little pack, you fill it with water, I'm assuming, and you have some solution for some tint. Alright guys, so this thing came out pretty good, aside from the way that I cut around the window, but not bad for my first time. Check it out. Hopefully this tint doesn't turn purple. Let me know in the comments if you guys have experienced any difficulties with the Black Magic tint film. But yeah, that thing, not bad for my first time. Now to do this window, I gotta take off this crusty film. Not fun, but yeah. I'm using a razor blade to kind of just peel off every little piece by piece, and I'll probably be here for a good 2 hours. Alright guys, and just like that, took me about 2 hours, not kidding, 2 hours to peel off and scrape off all the old tint. That thing was purple. Like, I don't know why tint turns purple. Hopefully that one doesn't turn purple. So yeah, now I gotta take off all this glue with some alcohol and then some cleaner glass spray, and then we should be good to go.
Perfect.
This thing is so much darker inside, guys. It's actually nice right now that it's hot. You got the AC blowing, tinted windows. I might have to tint this back one because it looks kind of funny having the 2 front windows tinted and not the back. I mean, obviously for visibility, but yeah, I'm gonna have to tint that. It's nice and dark in here, but check it out. See, this is normal light. It would always look like this, obviously, with no tint. And then as soon as you close the door. Bam. So nice. Big difference. I'm a car guy, and maybe like you guys who enjoy doing stuff to your cars are always trying to do stuff yourselves, you know, detailing and whatnot. Something breaks in your car and you try to fix it. But tinting windows has always been something that I've had curiosity about and interest. Not saying that I'm gonna go out there and start saying that I can tint windows and doing it for people, but honestly guys, for my first time, I don't think it's that bad. Super easy. If you guys are trying to tint your own windows, go to Walmart, pick up some Black Magic car tint. All right guys, here we are. It's nighttime, and as you can see, it is pretty dark in here. Like, this is what it looks like. Like, there's plenty of light over here, and then through the tint, this 5% really doesn't let light come in at nighttime. So I don't recommend you getting 5% tint on your front windows. If there was a car coming with no lights, I would not see it. I would totally not see it. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool because it's dark, but it's definitely not safe. Look how pitch black that is. It's crazy. Look at these cars. You can barely see that truck. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, if you guys are planning on getting some tint on your car, go ahead and give it a try. 20 bucks for Walmart tint. Actually, does not look that bad. It's nice and dark inside. Damn. So right now I'm currently working on another video with the GTR and the Evo. We got a small surprise right here for the cars. A company reached out and sent me this package for these two cars. I'm really excited to get this video done and show you guys, but that's gonna have to wait for next week. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the windows. Would you guys do this, or just take it to professionals to make sure that they come out right? I don't know, I kind of enjoy doing this stuff by myself. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys on the next video.